Good morning, guys. Crypto Savvy here with the Bitcoin update. We had a big drop last night, as you guys seen. I woke up to it and decided to look at the charts, so I'm gonna look at them the first time with you guys. See what's going on here. It looks like we broke out of the bottom of this ascending broadening wedge I had drawn. Now, does that mean that the whole call is invalidated? Not yet. It could be, but not totally invalidated yet. We're at some support, it looks like, right now. Zoom in here a little bit. We're at some support here right now, right at the 3750 range. I still see possibility to go down. This is a pretty strong support here at the 3650 range, and then we have another one down at the 3560 range, somewhere in there. But yeah, I didn't notice yesterday. I guess this would have been pretty obvious. You guys heard of the diamond reversal? Kind of looks like, I'll draw it out for you real quick. While we're doing this, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click the little bell if you would like to know when I post new videos. Also, if you give me a thumbs up, that really helps me out. I'd appreciate it. It takes 2 seconds to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either one, doesn't matter to me. But yeah, this kind of looked like a diamond reversal pattern we had here. Yeah, it's kind of choppy looking, but yeah, just something, you know, probably could have noticed that if we've been paying attention, I guess. But back into the chart. As you remember, if you've been watching my channel, we were watching the 4-hour RSI, and I said to watch that bottom trend line in this channel. And as you can see, we broke down through it. Now, does that mean we're doomed? We're going down to a lower low? No, not yet. If I go into the 1 hour, or the daily, I'm sorry. It's pretty early here. Anyways, yeah, still see the ascending broadening wedge in the daily. And if you remember yesterday, you know, I described how it came down, touched the bottom, went up, touched the top, back over to the bottom, to the top, sideways to the bottom. I still believe we have a move up here. Didn't happen quite like I expected on the price action, but it still looks good here. If you guys are watching this daily RSI, really watch this bottom trend line. If we drop through that, then yeah, we're definitely going to go lower. A new lower low. I'm not saying that, but we definitely will be going lower if we break out of that. If you look here, this could be forming a triangle up here on the daily. A rather big triangle. Let's put that in there real quick. We'd use the top of the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders that we were watching, and not sure that's invalidated yet, but it is looking different now. Not quite looking like an inverted head and shoulders, but if you look here, this would be the flagpole going up, and then we may bounce around in this area for a while, and then, you know, that next touch on the bottom of the daily RSI here could, you know, we might stick around on it for a minute like we did down here and then shoot up. But I like I said, I'm still really looking for this move up here. I know it's discouraging when you see a drop, but when you look at the whole picture, it's not that bad of a drop, really. Go back to the 4-hour and kind of get a better look at the ascending broadening wedge channel that I've drawn. Now we could just move this down a little bit and see if we stay in there right about there. See if we stay in that broadening wedge pattern. Let's look at one more thing before I get to ending this up. Let's draw well, going a little closer here so we can see what we're doing. Yeah, so let's draw a channel here. I'll draw it with the parallel channel tool. You hit the top of these wicks here and come down and go to the bottom of these two wicks over here. That would match up pretty good with this bottom trend line. I guess we'll see what happens here. Really watch this area, the 3750, somewhere in that range. We're at 3786 now, but really watch this area. We may, you know, pop around on this trend line for a little bit and go up and try to break this resistance one more time. And I believe if we fail again, then we'll probably have some more downward, some sell-off happening. But yeah, until then, you know, just keep an eye on the charts if you can, which I won't be able to today. I'll be out all day. But the other thing I was showing you yesterday, before I get going, I want to show you this. I said it would be very bullish if this 55 EMA crossed the 200 right here. You can see it touched it and came down on this drop. But like I said, it's not the end of the world. I still see more upward momentum. I don't see it going down just yet. I see it getting up to a little bit of a higher high first. Like I said, unless we can't break this neckline. But I wouldn't be getting all, you know, people get all scared and think it's crashing when we have a dip down. It's not all that bad. Like I said, when you look at the big picture, it wasn't that bad of a dip. Like I said, I'm a swing trader. I'm not a day trader, so the stuff doesn't really bother me that much. If you look back at my videos, go into my channel and look at my videos, I had called this down here a compound fulcrum, and that's where I got back into Bitcoin. I got back in about 31.75. Like I said, I'm a swing trader. These dips and stuff don't really affect me that much, but like I said, I don't think that we're just going to continue down from here. I still see some more upward momentum. I hope I helped you guys out, and hope you have a good day. And that's about it for today. So I appreciate you guys watching, tuning into the channel. And if you have any comments, leave them. Anything you want to, you know, any suggestions you got for me, anything like that. And if, like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the little button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever. Doesn't matter to me. Either way helps with the algorithm. And click the little bell if you want to get notified when I post videos. Again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks. Bye.